I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Wallpaper Engine is installed and run once so it registers with Windows. You must have both monitors connected and identified as Display 1 and Display 2 in display settings. This ensures the app assigns wallpapers correctly. Once done, open Wallpaper Engine and go straight to Settings, General, and enable multi-monitor support so the software can detect both screens. This step is critical because Wallpaper Engine uses Windows Display Order to map wallpapers across screens. Now you pick and assign wallpapers. Open the wallpaper gallery and choose one for each monitor, or select a single wallpaper and choose Span if you want one image across both. Use the monitor selector in the preview area to target Display 1 or Display 2. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make sure to set transform options, fit, fill, stretch, so the image scales correctly. Also set audio and performance options per monitor if you use animated or video wallpapers to balance CPU. Finish by saving your dual monitor layout as a profile so you can restore it quickly. Go to Manage and Save as Profile and enable Load on startup. Make sure Wallpaper Engine runs with the same permission level as your displays. Run as admin if needed to avoid access issues. If the wallpaper fails to display after changes, restart Wallpaper Engine, recheck Windows Display Order, and swap primary monitor temporarily to force remapping. That restart usually resolves driver or detection hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.